Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Norita dari kelas 1B Prodi PAI dengan NIM 2411040. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan 16 tesis bahasa Inggris beserta contohnya. Yang pertama ada simple present tense. Contoh kalimat positifnya I study English every day. Yang negatifnya I do not study English every day. Yang interrogatifnya do I study English every day. Yang kedua ada present continuous tense. Positifnya they are cooking dinner right now. Negatifnya they are not cooking dinner right now. Interrogatifnya are they cooking dinner right now. Yang ketiga ada present perfect tense. Positifnya he has visited Japan twice. Negatifnya he has not visited Japan twice. Negatifnya interrogatifnya has he visited Japan twice. Yang keempat ada present perfect continuous tense. Contoh positifnya I have been learning to paint for a year. Negatifnya I have not been learning to paint for a year. Interrogatifnya have I been learning to paint for a year. Yang kelima ada simple past tense. Positifnya we watching a movie last night. Negatifnya we did not watching a movie last night. Yang interrogatifnya did he watching last night. Yang keenam ada past continuous tense. Positifnya he was reading a novel when I called. Negatifnya he was not reading a novel when I called. Interrogatifnya was he reading a novel when I called. Yang ketujuh ada past perfect tense. Contoh positifnya they had finished the project before the deadline. Contoh negatifnya they had not finished the project before the deadline. Interrogatifnya had they finished the project before the deadline. Yang ke-8 ada past perfect continuous tense. Contoh positifnya she had been working at the company for 5 years. Negatifnya she had not been working at the company for 5 years. Interrogatifnya had she been working at the company for 5 years. Yang ke-9 ada simple future tense. Contoh positifnya I will travel to Australia next year. Contoh negatifnya I will not travel to Australia next year. Interrogatifnya will I travel to Australia next year. Yang ke-10 ada future continuous tense. Contoh positifnya they will be meeting you at the airport. Contoh negatifnya they will not be meeting you at the airport. Contoh interrogatifnya, will they be meeting you at the airport? Yang ke 11 ada future perfect tense. Contoh positifnya, she will have graduation by next June. Negatifnya, she will not have graduation by next June. Contoh negatifnya, interrogatifnya, will she have graduation by next June. Yang ke-12 ada future perfect continuous tense. Contoh yang positifnya, we will have been living here for 10 years by 2025. Contoh negatifnya, we will not have been living here for 10 years by 2025. Contoh interrogatifnya, will we have been living here for 10 years by 2025. Yang ke-13 ada simple past future tense. Simple past future tense. Positifnya, he will call you if he has your number. Negatifnya, he will not call you if he heard your number. Yang interrogatifnya, will he call you if he your head number. Yang ke-14 ada past future continuous tense. Yang ke-14 ada past future continuous tense. Contoh yang positifnya, I will be traveling to Paris if I have saved enough money. Yang negatifnya, I will not be traveling to Paris have no money. Yang interrogatifnya, will I be traveling to Paris if I have saved enough money. Yang ke-15 ada past future tense. Contoh positifnya, they will have finished the report by now if they had started earlier. Yang negatifnya, they would not have finished the report by now if they had started. Yang interrogatifnya, would they have finished the report by now if they had started earlier. Yang ke-16 yang terakhir ada past future perfect continuous tense. Contoh positifnya, she will have been working hard for their year if she had stayed. Contoh negatifnya, she would not have been working hard for their year she had stayed. Contoh interrogatifnya, she has been working hard hard for the year she stayed. Baik, hanya itu yang dapat saya sampaikan tentang 16 tesis dari bahasa Inggris beserta contohnya. Saya akhiri dengan wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.